Hello, hello. This is the my artifact episode number 3388. Today's date is 12th of April 2025. It's been almost like a night at 12:43 a.m. All right. So there are a couple of changes is actually happened inside of me, and some changes that I'm not really sure that changes is right or wrong. First of all is that कि just almost like just 1 hour ago, one and a half hour ago, I masturbate. Okay. Then wait. Okay, let me tell you the entire statistic. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah. So basically, today's date is 12th of April, as I mentioned, and just hour ago I masturbate. Okay. Last time I masturbate at 10th of April. Before that I masturbate at 7th of April. Before that I masturbate at 5th of April, then 4th of April, then 1st of April. Now in March I masturbate at 28th of March, 26, 23, 19. I masturbate a lot. Yeah. My average masturbation gap is almost like a 3.5 times per week, which is like a really lot. Okay, yeah, because the normal time for masturbation is 2 times per week, and this is 3.5. So I am kind of like a something little bit addicted, not little bit, too much addicted. Okay, and basically this thing I usually, when I masturbate, I kind of like simply make sure a gap at least 3 or 4 days of gap. But I don't know, from last couple of months, I just can't control myself, and I just did it. Okay, yeah. There are some sort of protocols. Okay, yeah. If you are masturbate and if you wanted to stop the masturbate, then uh, you should supposed to be figure it out what kind of like a trigger point and kill those trigger point. Triggered point means like that a naked picture or some sort of sensitive images that you seen on social media or something like that. I didn't really use Instagram. Like I have Instagram, I access Instagram from Chrome browser. I don't really have an app, so I don't really get that much exposure from Instagram. That is good thing. As also every sites that I access on computer, and computer is actually kind of like a simply blocked. Means like that in my computer I won't be able to consume any sexual content because it's kind of like a only family filter is on Chrome browser. So yeah, uh but it's not okay. Like basically I realized that the triggered point is not kind of like something responsible for masturbation. Then what is that? Sometimes I masturbate is just because I want to. Okay, yeah. And also I wanted to do my work. What do you mean? Okay, yeah. So today what exactly happened? Today I wanted to masturbate. Okay, yeah, today I did masturbate. Okay. So I had a lunch. Sorry, I had a dinner. Okay, yeah. I had a dinner, and then after that, I don't know why, I just kind of like something urges inside of me. And I don't know what exactly happened. Okay, I have kind of like I should supposed to be edit my reel and upload my reel on Instagram platform. Like I have some sort of work regarding about my content creation. Okay, yeah, but uh, unfortunately is this thing I put that thing aside, and I just don't really want it to kind of like think about editing my work and things like that. Nothing really at all. And I didn't really get any kind of like a triggered point. Nothing really at all. But still, it's just like that na ki I wanted to do my work. Okay, yeah. And if I wanted to do my work, it just like, I don't know. So basically what exactly happened, that ki I wanted to complete my work, I wanted to complete my editing process. That's why I masturbate. What the fuck? Why? Like basically, like it's not supposed to be happen like that way. Like basically after you masturbate na, the person won't be able to do any kind of like assembly work. But I don't know. It's just like if I wanted to do a work, I masturbate. What the fuck? Like, okay, let me explain this thing. What exactly happened? Okay, yeah. Okay, so I had a dinner. I kind of like simply had a little bit of urges. I don't know why. Like basically, it's like that, na ki there is a kind of like a simply problem inside of me. Okay, yeah. First of all, is that ki I had a lunch. Okay, sorry, I had a dinner. like, like this is kind of like after the dinner, na, things should supposed to be clear. Okay, yeah. And what is that? Like, let me tell you what is exactly happened. Okay, yeah. So I had a dinner. Then after that, I got some sort of pressure. Okay, yeah. Pressure means like I have to go to potty. Okay, yeah. But I don't know. I didn't really feel that much kind of like some pressure. So I drink more and more water. Okay, yeah. I drink water. But I don't know. I don't really get that pressure. So what exactly I did is that I went into my room, got naked. Got naked means like that I wear t-shirt, but besides that nothing really at all. Okay, yeah. Turn on the fan and kind of like a feel really cool like in genital area because of the fan and things like that. Then I just kind of like somebody feel like that ki right now I'm waiting for the pressure, so why don't I should supposed to be watch any kind of like a something sexual content. So I open the Instagram, but in my Instagram entire feed is kind of like a something clean, that I don't really get any kind of like a something sexual content, nothing really at all. And what the fuck has happened? Then I then I opened the porn site and started watching porn. After I watch porn, I feel pressure. Okay, yeah, I feel pressure that I have to go to potty. Then I pause my porn. I went to the bathroom, did my exhaust. Okay, like did my kind of like assembly, pass my stool and things like that. Come to the bedroom, got naked, and started watching porn, and then I masturbate. Okay, yeah. And after I did masturbate, I literally just like after I masturbate, I just like, okay, ho gaya kham. Like, like basically, I just sit in front of my desk, started doing my editing. I was done, like literally focus on editing process, everything. Okay, yeah. Did my stuff, upload on YouTube and Instagram platform, edit, upload my Instagram and YouTube platform regarding about the content creation, and then right now I'm kind of like recording this thing. So what the fuck is this thing? And this has actually happened multiple times. Like literally after I masturbate, I just kind of like somebody started doing my work. And sometimes it just feels like that ki when I have a craving, okay, when I have a kind of like a something sexual craving, I don't want to waste any kind of like a somebody time. Okay, yeah. Why? Because of that ki if I waste my time, it just like what is actually my thought process regarding about when I get that particular sexual craving is that ki like if I had a sexual craving, get the fuck it, like let's get masturbate and that's it. Okay, I'll then get back to work. And this is my kind of like a some stuff. And also, yeah, also another thing, I read online regarding about the masturbation that you feel really off, you demotivated, and but there is, yeah, I do feel something like that. I do feel right now, do feel little bit of demotivated and something like that. Not demotivated, kind of like a little bit of tired I feel. Okay, but there is a one thing is that there is a one day, almost like a couple of days ago, I masturbate. I masturbate afternoon at 1 p.m. Okay, yeah. And then at 6 p.m. I went to stadium and started running, and I run 30 minutes. Like usually I run 30 minutes every single day. I run. And then after that I play badminton. And like what the fuck is that? And it just like so like this is something really wrong. Okay, yeah, this is like a really wrong, that this masturbation is something that fucked up. Okay, yeah. So right now I have to be make sure that make little, like basically my average masturbation in a week is 3.5 times per week. So I have to be kind of like a something control. Okay, yeah. Like basically in 30 days I am kind of like a masturbating in 15 times, so basically every second day that I'm masturbating. Yeah, it is like a really lot. Okay, yeah. So basically what should I supposed to do? First of all is that you have to be you have to be kind of like a something just something like that you shouldn't supposed to do that thing. Okay, yeah, because it's really problem. And fuck yeah. All right. So I have to be controlled, and I will definitely gonna control regarding about triggered point and things like that. And I have to work on myself regarding about this situation, and I will figure it out. Okay, I will make sure that at least 4 days of gap, 4 and 5 days of gap should supposed to be happen. Should supposed to be take care. All right. Yeah. Uh. All right. So should I supposed to end it? All right. Yeah. This it. This it. And I don't know. I am not recording artifact right now very properly, but I just masturbate. Okay, and I'm walking here, and I don't want to walk. I wanted to sleep. So yeah, and I want to make sure that this thing shouldn't supposed to be happen. Okay, all right. Thank you.